the same position with no signs of a predator entering their enclosure.
I'm beyond upset and quite panicked because they may be just chickens, but they're family.
Bashir says her chickens were alive and well yesterday. She believes the smell following the detonation of the train carrying chemicals that derailed in East Palestine is to blame for her birds' sudden death.
My video camera footage shows my chickens were perfectly fine before they started this burn.
Okay, looks like we got it back up now. Alright, back up now. So, alright, for some reason it went blank for a second, now I'm back now. But here's the other photo I wanted to show you if you get hit by the Toxicrain.
Oh my gosh.
And that's with everything that's already been put in the atmosphere. Okay, so remember what this looks like and tell people to stay away from the toxic rain. Now, there is something else